Still there. It's the first time I've ever tried fucking using this on here, and I've been shitting myself of losing it, but we know it's good. I'm just gonna stick you back on car again in a minute, because all of a sudden the fucker's popping its tits off. Sounds awesome, so I thought I'd share that with you.
It's banging more than them prozzies in Amsterdam.
Fucking right.
When was last time I did some high octane This is where I want to buy Sunsy! Looks American.
Yeah, hopefully find some nice trails.
We might find a bear.
Yeah, a bear. Let's look for bears.
I see bear shit there.
Scott looking.
Stick your nose over that pipe and just have a good sniff.
Yeah, that's like where smoke started coming from. So I'm wondering if it's spark plugs.
Do you think it...
I ain't got a clue. Basically just opening it up, because I think my plugs are fucked. Seems to be misfiring like shit.
You can feel that.
You got a little bit of brumps, and I think you got a bit of a flame pop earlier, so hey, you got a bit of a video out of it, didn't you? All through testing shit. So happy days. I just realised I'm an ignorant twat. Eyeball Paul's here.
With him again! With him again! Banco! Look out, Doris! Cheers!
So while we've been out popping and banging, I had my RC 4-wheel drive D90 Land Rover in boot. So I thought we'd come out for a bit of the trailing session while we're out with Eyeball Paul, who's building a dam. And then we can go swamping.
Damn me.
Damn. So yeah, bit of pops and bangs and a little D90. Awesome, awesome. Just awesome, that.
We'll put a 7-turn motor on.
Well, as you've seen from that, the RC's got issues, the fucking car's got issues.
And we're jamming.
And we're jamming. Thing just kept cutting out. So, back to the table and get that fucking stripped down and rebuilt. And for any of yous who are into RC shit, then check out my other channel, Scotty555 Babe, RC Trucking UK. And I'll be chowing you for now.